Hello guys, so welcome back to Power BI channels from me, Panada. So today I'm going to talk about how you can connect online web database into Power BI. So in case the database is stored on the website or online, it is very simple to connect. So you don't have to download it into Excel and then you connect Excel into Power BI. So there is a way that you can do it faster and more efficient. So let's go through how we can do it then. Okay, so first, just open your Power BI. Okay, so your Power BI is here. Okay, so very simple. So the same process as you connect to different database. So just go to get data and then you can go to web. Okay, so it's pop up like this. So it's very simple by just pass the URL of that web into this and then okay, and then it's boom. So for example, in case that you want to connect the data into the database of the information update related to COVID-19, so then you just go to a website. Okay, this is how it look in Power BI that I have just created one for myself to ensure that I can track the status for COVID-19 in Asians. Okay, so okay, for example, you have others. Okay, website which is this one, World of Metrics. So this website is actually an update of the information related to COVID-19. It is not just in Asian, but it's also from other countries as well. So basically, it's a website that you can find most of the information about COVID-19 based on countries, based on continents. So it's very simple. So to connect this data directly to Power BI, you can just go and copy this URL, okay? And then you goes to your Power BI, you goes to get data, okay? Go to webs and just pass, okay, the URL here, click OK. So you wait a few seconds and then it's gonna pop up something for you. Okay. So few seconds, it's depend on your internet connectivities, how fast it is. So my case is not so fast. So we have to wait a little bit. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, here we are. Okay. So we got some recommended tables from those database. So then we have to go and preview one by one to see which one we're gonna use and which one we are not going to use. So that is how it is, okay? So it's allow us to see whether it is in a table view or web view. So normally we would like to see it in a table view, which is about the raw data and you see how the database is structured. So very simple, okay? So, oh, we have many, okay? So just click one by one to see the preview, whether you like it or not, or maybe you don't need it, okay? So this is probably the one that we need, okay? Table one, just go and preview all of them if you want to, but if you only want the database related to COVID updates based on countries, based on continents, okay, you can just take the one that fits with you the most. But in this case, I believe table number one summarize what we want to see. Okay, so we just click number one, and then you can go and load it directly, or you can go and transform it. So basically, I would recommend you to go and transform the data before loading it into Power BI. Okay, so here it is. So transformation is very simple. So before doing that, I would recommend you to Control A to select all the data, and then you go to transform and detect the data types. So it's actually take a few seconds to detect whether your data type is consistent or not. Okay, for example, this field is about countries, so which means that it's going to be text. So all text, okay. So this is gonna be numbers, okay. So this is gonna be numbers, okay. So very simple, okay. So here we are. So we got the data, okay. We got the data, and then we can just go to homes, click close and apply. So it means that you already connects to the web database from Metrics, which means that you can get the updates of those informations anytime you go and refresh your data. Very simple. So you can create a different visualization as you want to, okay, to ensure that, oh, probably this is the information you want to know about the new case related to COVID, about the rates of death in each country. So it's depend on you. So very simple. As long as you have this data, you can create anything based on what you want. So for example, in my case, I did one, okay. So you can have a look at as a samples, okay. And let me show you, okay. Which is this one, okay. So basically, I want to understand how many cases in each countries, recoveries, talking about recovery rates, okay, and also the fatality rate, which means the death rate, okay. So we can do that, okay. So just a quick one, so okay. For example, if you want to know the new case, okay, or maybe you want to summarize in table, okay. So we just, okay, take the countries, which is what you want to put it. Where is countries, okay. So you take countries, you take new case, you take new death, okay, you take probably, okay, total deaths, total recovery. So here it is. So you got a bunch of information out there. So it's a lot of stuff. So it's gonna aggregate this data in an alphabetical orders, but probably you may not want to have in this way, okay? So it's depend on your customization that you want to see. For example, if you want to see only in Asia or in Asian countries, then you can just go and filter it. So very simple, you can go and filter these countries, okay? For example, a basic filter, for example, in my case, we want to know about Cambodia, okay? So I can just take Cambodia. I want to know about Singapore, okay? So just take Singapore. I want to know about Thailand, okay? So I take Thailand. I want to know about Vietnam. This is Vietnam. I want to know about Indonesia, okay? And probably I also want to know about Malaysia, okay? So basically this is how it works. So then it's kind of filters those information for you. And if you want to make it bigger, it's depend on you. So you can just go to the format panes and then you go to values, okay, and then you can change the colors, the backgrounds, okay. You can go to styles to change whether you want a default or you don't want a default, then you can customize itself. Okay, values. Okay, you can change the text size to make sure it is bigger. Okay, so here it is. Okay, probably 16 is good. Total, probably you want or you don't want, it's depend on you. You can off it or you can on it. Okay, so what else you can customize to make it look better? Okay, you can do column headers. Probably you can make it 20 so it's look better. So here it is. Okay, so very simple. So you can see the numbers of new case. For example, now in Vietnam, okay, new death in Indonesia, 128, which is a lot. Okay, over 10,000 total death. Okay, recoveries. So the bigger numbers amount of people who got recovered from the cases. But okay, who knows? Indonesia is a very big country, so this number may not surprise. Okay, so yeah, that's it. How it is, and it is very simple to connect to online database. Okay, and for example, tomorrow you want to see the update, you can just go and refresh. Okay, this data, and then you will get an updates. Very easy. Okay, guys, this is how it is. So how to connect to the database, I think it is very simple, but how to create the visualization depend on what you need. It's depend on your skill sets and depends on whether you want to go with the defaults or a customization based on yourself or your organizational needs. So here it is. So a summary in tables, or probably you want to see it in, for example, a card like this. Okay, probably you want the numbers of total case. Okay, let's say. So this is not just this one. So this is all. So it's a bit different because this one you filters only for five countries like this. Okay, so it's a filters on the visual. Okay, so that's it. Okay, and okay, if you have any questions, please let me know. Comment in the box below, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. And then when I make a new upload, then you can get a notification right away. And you can also request me to do specific video for you as well, just in case that you want to know how to do things, how to create the visualizations, how to create calculations, how to write some DAX. So basically in Power BI, we use DAX programming language, which is data analysis expression. But if you are advanced in Excel, it is absolutely almost the same. You can say 90% is the same as in Excel, just like with different syntaxes. Okay. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channels in YouTube and also Telegram and Facebook if you want to. Okay, to get notification for any video that I uploaded. Okay, thank you guys, and see you in the next video.